one of the products we're going to use a whole bunch of is this Hydro Force stainless steel cleaner. You can tell on a fire truck there is a massive amount of stainless and polished aluminum, and the reason is because the nature of the type of work that we do, there's constantly soot, there's constantly water on everything, and you want a surface that's robust, it's tough, it'll put up to a bunch of corrosion and everything on it, but you need to get it shiny, you need to keep it shiny, because when it's shiny and clean, all the water will just run off. So you take your Hydro Force cleaner, you just spray it on, makes a nice foam, and if it's a really, really nasty surface, you're gonna let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. So let it sit on there, take you a microfiber cloth, and then just wipe it off. So what I like to do is I'll grab one side of the microfiber cloth, I'll wipe off the product, just really, really lightly. You don't have to sit there and scrub it with your hand. Then go to the other side of your microfiber cloth that doesn't have any of the product on it, and then you come back and you can buff it out. Now when you're doing diamond plate, you need to go in kind of angles. If you go across like that, opposed to these little diamonds, then it doesn't really clean that well. So kind of go, make an X, go with the grain or with the diamonds, come back the other way. You start seeing that luster really come out. So that's a very, very short clip of just the Hydro Force. This stuff works awesome. I've used it in the past, just like every CRC chemical. This stuff's incredible. You can tell just from this back panel back here, this is like an 8-foot wide, probably 5-foot tall piece of polished aluminum, and it is a pain to keep clean. But when you have a really, really good product that works really, really fast, and you've got a whole bunch of firemen willing to help you, it'll go pretty quick.